Morphological features of Spirocerca lupi. So this parasite is bright pink in color, around 8 cm in length, found spirally coiled. As I mentioned earlier, the adult parasite is found in esophageal granuloma, which is around 4 cm in diameter or about the size of a golf ball. So upon cutting of the granuloma during surgical removal of the lesions, numerous bright pink worms can be revealed. Microscopic characteristics of the Spirocerca lupi includes there is trilobe lips with a buccal capsule and its opening is hexagonal in shape. Pharynx is short and tail of the male parasite bears lateral ali and papillae. So there is 4 pairs paired and 1 unpaired medial precloacal papilla and 2 pairs of postcloacal papillae. Spicule of this parasite is unequal in length. Left spicule is slightly bigger than the right spicule.